Oh! Now? You good?
That was very close.
To what?
Almost me losing a hand.
No.
That was a miracle.
Where was your hand?
Between the transmission pan and the top of the jack.
Oh my gosh, Jesse, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
That thing gave away, man. I had no. I was
okay.
It just.
Nicky, everything's fine. What's up, y'all? Today is the day I've been waiting for 5 years. Got this 1976 Grumman P30 one-ton Stepvan, just primed and ready for a remodel. I have seen this truck sitting by the side of the road since I was 16 years old and wanted it. And finally 5 years ago, I miraculously was able to make it mine. But I've been waiting for the right time to tear into it, waiting for clearance from the boss. But I finally got that, and so today's the day we're going to tear into it and see what we can do with it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. I am a furniture builder, so I know how to make the interior of this thing shine, but I don't know jack about mechanicals. So that's why my man Harry is here to help me get my head on straight with what we need to do with this thing, because I know it needs some help.
Yeah, so I've popped the hood. This thing has some serious cubic inch deprivation.
Oh, that sounds bad.
It's not got no power.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a 307 in it. That's trash.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna do an engine swap.
Okay.
We're gonna put in a 454 big block.
Oh.
That's what I'd like to do.
Okay.
But before we do that, we gotta clean this thing out a little bit.
Yeah, we've kind of been using this as a mini storage for the last 5 years. Well, let's get to work then.
Remove the engine from the front. So I'm just trying to remove all of these cross members and grill and radiator and braces out of my way. But the first attempt that I did to break this, I used an impact driver and it broke my bit instantly. I don't know if that's good luck or bad luck on the first thing I decided to do to this van.
What's up, y'all? It's day 2 here. Yesterday, you saw us cleaning this thing out. Boy, that was a mess. We got all of that out of there, got this thing ready to start digging into, and then we went ahead and finished the day out by taking the front end out of here. We got the grill and the cross members, the radiator and the fan shroud all out of there. So now we're going to work on pulling this power plant out of there, get that motor and transmission out. So I think the first thing we're going to do is take that carburetor off of there so it doesn't get smashed. Is that right, Harry?
Yeah, I want to remove some of the flooring to access the transmission. So whoever had the van before us made it real easy, and they've cut out some of the flooring and then put some diamond plated steel back to make it access the transmission.
All right, so here we are, day 3. We finally got this engine and transmission fully disconnected, ready to get out of there. So this is where the fun begins. We're gonna yank something out of there that's like 3 times my body weight, and that's a lot. So yeah, I mean, that's where we're at right now.
I'm gonna try not to take out your hand as I pull it.
Ooh, yeah, that'd be great. Well, let's get after it.
All right. So after considering everyone's safety, we're going to separate the engine and transmission. But the mounts for everything are triangulated. So 2 in the front, 1 in the rear, holding the whole thing up. So we've got to figure out a way to hold up the transmission so when the engine's pulled forward, it doesn't just completely tip over and break everything. So Jesse and I are going to jerry-rig this ratchet strap and figure out a way to hold it. So the last few days have been pretty sick. We've gutted the front end, we've taken out the engine, the tranny, we've cut off the rest of the exhaust, and we've started with the mock-up engine, seeing what fits, what doesn't fit, what we're gonna have to cut.
Yeah, this is a super exciting project for us, and we're going to continue to update you step by step as we go through each section of this vehicle. We're going to post more videos. And so be sure to like, subscribe, follow along, and just see what happens.